For this project, you can use crayons, markers, or your choice of materials. I recommend you using a pencil first. I will use a Sharpie so you can see clearly. Start by drawing a smile. Then you can make the stem of your pumpkin as long or tall as you would like. Next, draw a really long, slender oval shape to represent the center of your pumpkin. Starting each time at the top part of the stem, you're going to draw part of another oval connecting it to the bottom of your pumpkin. I usually do one on the left, then on the right, then on the left, then on the right to alternate to make it look a little bit nicer. Make two little bumps next to the stem to represent the other side of the pumpkin. I'm going to make a big pumpkin sitting a little bit behind the small one. Again, start with a smile, then make the stem as tall as you would like it, and repeat the process of creating the long ovals and alternating from the left and the right sides with the lines. When you come to the part of another pumpkin where it looks like it might cut through, try and draw an imaginary line over that pumpkin to show that your current pumpkin is behind the other one. Lightly mark out your horizon line, which is the line that makes it look like land is touching the sky. Don't forget the imaginary line through the pumpkin to make it look realistic. To draw a crescent moon, you simply draw two letter C's with the points touching each other. To draw a star, start with a capital letter A, pretend that it has arms and legs and it's about to exercise. The left arm is going to reach over to touch the bottom right leg, and the right arm is going to reach over to touch the bottom of the left leg. If you know how to draw a star in a different way, you can go ahead and do it your way. To color in my pumpkins so that it looks realistic, I'm going to use a darker color like red to outline the curves of my lines. Then I will use orange and leaving a little bit of white in each area to have my light color. Notice that I'm following the curves of my line when I'm coloring it in. Finally, I will add a little bit of yellow in the highlights to make it more realistic. I go back and forth with the colors to blend it in nicely. I'm using a light green and a dark green to color in my grass to make it look realistic. In addition, I will make little lines going up, up, up so that it looks like grass is growing. Sometimes I might even use my marker if I want people to see more of my grass. Since I want my stars to be really bright, I'm going to use a marker. I'm making a few lines behind the stars to make it look like shooting stars. For my sky, I'm going to use several different types of blue. Those are tints and shades. And I will also add purple and a little bit of black to make it look like it is nighttime. Be sure to sign your work when you're done.